Getting rich. It's not a thing that happens overnight. It is a thing that happens with hard work and a lot of passion, right? So in this video, I will give you top 7 ways to make money at your home with your comfort. So let's get started. So number 1 way that you can make money at your home is digital marketing. So you can do digital marketing on Facebook ads and YouTube video ads and things like that. And the thing is, most of the people around the world make $100,000 and 6-figure business and 7-figure business with digital marketing agency. So you can start small and you can just make some big things. Number 2 method of making money at your home is dropshipping. It's like this. You buy product in bulk from another e-commerce website and you get huge discount of 30 to 40%. And you buy that and put it in your warehouse, and then you sell it in your own website, like building your own website with Shopify or selling it on Amazon and eBay. So if you do like this, then you are making total maybe 30 to 40% of profit. So this profit you can build, and maybe you can also build a huge amount with this process. The number 3 method of making money at your home is affiliate marketing. You might have heard about this acronym, affiliate marketing. It's like this. You bring maybe a businessman or entrepreneur some customers and you get some 10% or 50% commission of the product. Let's say I am selling laptop in Amazon. Okay, and now marked price of that laptop in Amazon is $1,000. And now if you bring some customers through maybe your network and your followers like that, and you make 10% to 15% commission of it. Let's say you brought 2 customers a day, then you are making $100, $200 a day. So that is a good amount to start with, right? If you don't have money to start your business, that's the thing you can choose to start your own business. Number 4 way of making money at your home is membership website. Have you heard about this term called subscription? Please comment down below. If yes, how many of you have taken subscription of Netflix and magazines? A lot maybe, right? So how these magazines and this Netflix makes money is creating this membership website, right? If you can also build up some idea and create some membership website that you can charge in monthly basis or maybe yearly basis, then you are making quite decent recurring type of amount. Let's say you have opened your hosting site, then you are making them pay you monthly or yearly or quarterly or semi-annually like that, right? So you are making quite a decent amount in recurring model, and this recurring model doesn't stop. The 5th way of making money online at your home is Adsense. You might have about Adsense. Adsense is an ad provider site. So they provide the connection with big companies and your website, and they integrate it. And yeah, the amount is not that high, but it's good to start with. If you have a website, if you have a YouTube channel, then you can integrate AdSense to it to make quite side hustle or income like side hustle. The 6th way of making money online at your home is funnel. I mean to say that if you are a master in any skill, let's say you are master in playing guitar, then you can teach others online who don't know and who want to learn about learning how to play guitar. and you also can make them your student and your mentee, right? There are lots of platforms that provide you the opportunity to get connected with the learners and you be the tutor, like tutor.com, and you can find students on fiverr.com. You can sell your course on Skillshare, you can sell your course on Udemy and things like that. But you have to be good at making your content, and your content should be engaging so that those platforms will suggest your videos to their students. And the number 7, this is the last but not the least way of making money at your home, at your comfort, is ebook. Do you have passion of writing? If yes, then congratulations. You can follow this 4th method. You can follow this method. You can create your ebook. You can write what you know. You can write what you know about many things. Like if you know about playing guitar, then you can write book on how you can play guitar. If you know how to program or how to write Python programming, then you can also write ebook on Python programming. Things like that. If you are good at anything, you can write book, and you can also sell it on Amazon, you can sell it on eBay and things like that. So if you follow these 7 methods of making money, this can build a quite good amount to start your own business. So please comment down below how many of you have already started your business and how many of you are wanting to start your business. And I will see you in the next one.